today's video I'm going to be showing you guys a basic flight tutorial for the Mini Orion drone. Now I did promise this video back when I made my other video about how to sync and launch the drone. So if you need to watch that video to watch this video, go ahead and go back and watch that. I will leave the link to that video in the description if you can go see that. And then once you're done with that, come back here and I'm going to show you how to fly this drone. Just very basic flight today. We're not going to do anything too advanced, just very simple how to fly it. So right away, as you can see, I have my drone paired, the lights are solid, and the light is solid here. So once you have it synced like you want to with your autopilot, you want to click the autopilot, and then that's going to make the rotor start spinning. And then what you're going to do is move this left joystick. So actually, first I'll go over the controls for each joystick here. So the left joystick controls the way the drone actually turns. So let's say the drone is flying like this. If I move the left joystick to the right, then the drone is going to turn to the right. It's not going to fly right, excuse me. It's going to turn right. So same thing goes for the left. It'll go like that. And then up and down controls this. So the left side, the right joystick is going to control the way it leans. So let's say I make it go up, it'll go up, and then I go right with the right joystick. That's gonna make it go up, and then lean right and go this way. So this is how you actually move it around. This is how you turn it. So after you get that down, you want to make sure that you're standing behind the drone so that the camera is facing in front of you, like that way. Like I'm standing behind the drone and the camera is facing towards the garage door. You want to make sure that it's facing away from you so that you know exactly which way it's going to turn. After that, if you have your memory card, your SD card installed in there, you can click photo one time and the drone will take a photo while in midair. Easy like that. And then you can click video and the drone will start taking a video, and then when you're done with the video, just click that button again. Now to land the drone, you want to click the autopilot again. And then these buttons up here, this controls the speed. If you click it one time, when you take off initially, it will put you on the lowest speed, so you get used to it. I would definitely recommend, if this is your first time flying the drone, definitely start with the easiest mode because it's very easy to crash on the highest speed. So yeah, you want to start on the lowest speed. I also would not recommend doing flips yet because once you get used to the drone, then you can start doing it. Also, try not to do any flips indoors unless there's a high ceiling because it does require a lot of space to do flips. So anyway, enough talking. I'm just going to start and fly a little bit and kind of explain what I'm doing with a voiceover. Alright, so right away I'm going to click the autopilot button to get the drone up and off the ground. And as you can see, I am flying it and controlling it going up and down with the left joystick. Now I turn and lean it right and then left again. And now I'm turning it back towards myself, turning it in a full circle with the left joystick. Then I lean it a little bit with the right joystick to control it. And I bring it back down once it starts flying up. Lean it back to me again, keep leaning, and then I turn it in a full circle once again. After I do this, I click the photo button to take a picture of myself, and then I start the video, and I start flying the drone right in the middle of the screen, as you can see. Bring it back down into the frame right about now, I believe. I can't see it. There it is. And then I decide to click the autopilot button to land the drone once again. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed, and I hope this tutorial helped you out when trying to learn how to fly your Mini Orion drone. Now I may come out with another video in the future talking about advanced flying and different things like that. So if you'd like to see that, please let me know. Have an awesome day, and please consider liking and subscribing because it means a ton. Thank you. Bye.